So one of the things about the blow-ups, people are like, oh, he's a fucking idiot. He keeps blowing up his rockets. They're designed to possibly blow up because they want to find out what can it tolerate, right? And so they had removed these heat shields from very specific places, but it still made it. And so it lost pressure like somewhere over Australia, and there was like only a 30% chance that it was going to touch down, but it did.
Wow. That's so fucking cool.
It's wild. And then this thing opens up that looks like, just a long flat opening like a Pez would come out of. And then they shoot these satellites out of it.
It's cool.
I'm like, this is nuts. I don't think everybody understands how advanced this stuff is.